Hey there, my tribe over 50. Are you wondering if starting a YouTube channel is right for you? The answer is yes. And today I'm going to be sharing how to unlock your potential on YouTube, use your incredible life experiences to make money, and how to overcome your fears that have been holding you back. So let's get to it. First, let's talk about fear. I get it. Putting yourself out there can be scary. You might be thinking, what will people say? Am I too old for this? But here's the truth, your age is your superpower. We have decades of wisdom and stories and expertise that the world is waiting to hear that only we can tell our story. Don't let self doubt stop you. Remember, every creator, no matter what their age, started out with zero subscribers and no experience. And you know what? If they can do it, we can do it too. And yes, I know that starting can be a little scary and even be a little cringy, but you get over it. Just like with anything, you improve with practice and consistency. And here's another thing, if you're waiting to lose that 20 pounds or waiting for that Botox to kick in, stop it. Do it right now. Real people love watching real people. I had the most engagement on my channel when I was really overweight at 228 pounds. And people wanted to learn about my weight loss journey. They wanted to see a real person going through a real weight loss journey. And remember, you don't need fancy equipment to start. A smartphone and good lighting, even from a window, is enough. Just start simple and improve as you grow. I've been making content for a couple of years now, and I'm just now getting to the point where I'm starting to get some of the techie toys that I've always wanted. And I still don't have a professional camera. By the way, camera companies, I could use a sponsor. Just saying. Now let's talk about using your talents and past experiences to create content. Maybe you're an amazing cook, a gardening guru, or you've built a career giving financial advice. These skills are golden on YouTube. Here's some examples. If you've been a teacher, share your study tips or lesson ideas. And if you love DIY crafts, create tutorials. And if you've traveled the world, share your stories and reach out to me for your next trip because I'm a travel advisor. Your unique perspective is what makes you stand out. And people want to learn from someone who's been there and done that. And here's a big secret, being authentic beats perfection every time. Just be yourself, and people want to watch and work with someone that they can relate to. Being unique is what makes this journey so fulfilling. So let's talk money, honey. YouTube is not just a creative outlet, it's a way to earn an income. Here are some ways to make money as a 50 plus creator. AdSense revenue. Once you meet the requirements of subscribers and watch hours, you can start earning money from ads. Next is affiliate marketing. You can promote your products that you love and earn a commission. For example, you can link to your favorite kitchen gadgets or travel gear in your video description. You can even show off your favorite travel outfit. Next is sponsored content. Brands are always looking for creators who can authentically share their products with a mature audience. They're not looking for a 20-year-old to sell mature products. They want us. That means they want you. Next is selling your own products. If you have a book, a course, or a craft, you can use YouTube to showcase it and sell it. So let's talk about memberships and Patreon. You can offer exclusive content to your loyal fans for a monthly fee. The members get special access to you. You can offer a special conversation, a Zoom with them, or even a new release that's just for them. And you can even plan a special cruise so that you can hang out with your subscribers. Now, here's something very important. Only you get to determine what success looks like for you. For some, they consider themselves successful only if they make $10,000 a month. But guess what? I've met plenty of mature content creators who are happy with an extra $1,000, $2,500 a month. Or maybe it's a combination of money and sponsorships. Think about it. If you have your eyes on a $2,000 grill and that grill company reaches out to you to get content, do you consider it a loss if they only give you the $2,000 grill? Like I said, determine what makes sense for you and makes you feel happy and successful and run with it. This is your channel. And if producing videos on YouTube allows you to work with your dream brands or consistently allows you to drive that new car you've always wanted or go on fabulous vacations on a regular basis without having to pay for it out of your existing funds, I consider that successful. Now let's talk about turning your passion into profit. The key is to start with one or two income streams and then expand as you grow. You don't need 1 million followers or subscribers to make money. Having a small, engaged, and loyal audience can be just as lucrative. This is going to be your tribe. These are my ride or die people who love to see what I'm doing. They want to know where I'm going and they want to know about the products that I'm using. And guess what? They love to see me succeed. But you know what? They are also there to comfort me and to give me encouragement when things don't go exactly how I had planned. And who doesn't need a tribe like that? Still not convinced if YouTube is for you? Think about this. Every day you wait is a day that someone else is sharing their story instead of you. They are growing, even with baby steps, while you're not. The world needs to hear your voice. Whether it's to inspire, educate, entertain, or just have a conversation with like minded individuals, there's a place for you on YouTube. So take that first step, hit record, and start your journey today. Now I want to hear from you. What's holding you back from starting your YouTube channel? Tell me in the comment section below. So just drop a comment or a question and let's chat. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And remember, it's never too late to create. And I'll see you on the next video.